Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to off this screen problem, color screen problem on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you have to scroll like this. Okay, just keep scrolling and on the down you can find this additional settings. So here you have to click on additional settings. When you click on it, here you can see accessibility. So here you have to click on accessibility. Okay, after that here on the side you can see vision. Just move on this vision here. Okay, then on the down scroll little bit, then here is the color inversion. You have to click here color inversion. When you click on it, you just click on this icon, use color inversion on this icon, right? On the side of this, use color inversion, click on it. Here the color has been set up. You can set into normal. So if you want to it's okay or not, then here it has been okay. So you can off it like this. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.